that?
A food.
A food. Food for?
The birds.
Oh, the birds. Are the birds hungry?
A food.
Oh, you want to give them fruit? Careful.
A bird.
You need to be careful. Oh, lots of weeds there.
Catching the bird.
Oh, the birds is catching it.
And the food.
Oh, are they hungry?
Catching the birds.
Oh, we're catching the birds.
Good
The birds
job,
catch.
birds.
Oh, good job, birds. Very good. Galing naman ang birds na yan.
More birds.
Are you getting more food for the birds?
More birds.
Oh, more birds to feed. I'm trying to get more food for the birds. There's more? It's finished? Oh, there's one more left.
Well, go pick it.
Oh, you pick it. Very good.
Go tree. We get a tree.
Mhm.
Picking a tree.
Picking from the tree.
Picking a tree.
Picking from the bush.
Picking a baby.
You're gonna throw it again.
Catch
Catch.
more birds.
More birds.
Eat
More
that.
birds to feed.
Eat that.
Oh.
Eat that.
Oh. Oh, catch.
Catch a bird.
Oh, the birds catch it.
A food.
Oh, food. Very good.
What's that bird?
You're going back to get food?
Dinner.
Oh, dinner. Is it dinner time? Ganda guys, oh. Yun si cute. What happened? Is there more? There's more food for the birds. Wow.
Hiding.
Hiding. More fruit for the birds. Galing naman ni Kate, feeding the birds. You're gonna throw it to the birds again.
I'm down the bird.
Oh, again.
I'm down the bird.
Oh, again. Careful. Throw it to the birds again. Catch. Oh, the birds catch it. Very good. Good job, birds.
You drop birds. You drop birds.
Good job, birds. Very good.
What?
You're busy.
Busy, baby, busy.
The baby very busy. You say hi, guys. You say hi, guys, kid. This is your seat. Monkey sit. Is that your monkey sit?
Monkey said. Banana.
Oh, banana.
Cutting. Monkey cutting a banana.
Is that a monkey?
Cutting a banana.
Oh, monkey is cutting the banana.
A flower.
A flower. You're a clever girl. Oh, careful. Oh, you're so strong.
What's a banana?
Ah, banana.
Ringing.
Mm-hmm.